Good morning, fifth grade. I hope you had an awesome week. We made it to Friday already, and today is your Science and Social Studies Day. So, today in Social Studies, we are going to start researching for our Revolutionary War Wax Museum project. Now, this is going to look totally different online than what you remember seeing in my classroom in past years. So, we are going to do the research. I'm going to have you write a script, but I'm not going to make you perform in front of people. So we're going to start by researching today. So you are going to be researching George Washington. So you're going to use the same book that you have read and worked with the last 2 weeks. So hopefully you're really familiar with that. You'll probably want to log in and find that book again so that you can reference it as you start taking notes today. One thing I do want you to know is you do not need to finish these notes today. I want you to just start looking and thinking and finding some information, but this does not need to be completely filled out. So if you click here to your research notes, it'll take you to your online notes section. It looks like this. So you will write George Washington right there because he is the guy you're going to be researching. You're going to look through the book on Epic and you're going to pull out all of these different dates. So it asks for the date that he was born. So you'll write the date here. It says if it tells you where, go ahead and write it. If it gives you parent information, go ahead and write it. If it doesn't give you any of those things, don't worry about it. You're going to write down the information that it does give you and just ignore the rest of it. Okay? So then you're going to find when he died and what he died from. Again, if it doesn't tell you how he died or what he died from, just leave it blank. Just put the date. You're going to find and write down anything about his childhood. Here are just some ideas of things you can look for. Where he or she grew up, siblings, favorite activities. If it talks about any of those things, you can jot them down here. These do not need to be in complete sentences. You can just jot down little notes as you go. Occupation, that means job. So what job did George Washington do? Family life, did he get married? Did he have any children? Impact on American history. This one's probably the most important. This is why are we actually studying this person? Why is George Washington important? This is probably the section you're going to have the most information on. Tell me about why he was important to our history as a country. And then come up with one interesting fact. This can be anything, something that you thought was cool and unique about George Washington. So you are going to begin working on that today. If you struggle, if you're not sure what to do, give me a call. Let me know. I'd love to help you out. This is meant to be a fun project, not meant to stress you out. We'll work on researching for a couple weeks and then we'll work on writing a script where you are that person. So you will say, hi, I'm George Washington. I was born on yada yada. And if you want to, at that point in time, if you want to share with your peers, I would love it if you would. If that's going to stress you out, that's not a big deal. I hope you have an awesome Friday. I hope to see you on Fun Friday too, from 9:30 to 10:30. Come hang out. We're going to have some fun. Bye, guys.